Hey everyone, and a massive welcome to our channel. I'm Kaylee, and I'm so incredibly excited you're here with us today. Get ready because we're about to embark on an amazing journey together. Today we're going to show you 5 exercises that will transform your body in just 4 weeks. Seriously, these aren't just any exercises. They are powerful, effective, and designed to get you feeling fantastic. These exercises are perfect for women who want to get fit, strong, and confident. So, if you're ready to make a real change and see some incredible results, you're in the exact right place. This isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling powerful from the inside out, boosting your energy, and building that unshakable confidence that comes from knowing you're taking care of yourself. We're going to break down each move, making sure you understand the form and the benefits so you can get the most out of every single rep. It's all about consistency and pushing yourself just a little bit more each day. Remember, this journey is yours, and I'll be here cheering you on every step of the way. So grab your water bottle, find a little bit of space, and let's get ready to sweat, smile, and achieve those fitness goals together. No more waiting for the right time. The right time is right now. Let's get started. Are you ready to feel the burn and see those amazing changes? I know you are. Let's do this. All right, first up, we have the absolute king of lower body exercises, squats. You guys, squats are just fantastic for toning your legs and glutes, giving you that sculpted, strong look we all love. But they do so much more than just that. They also play a huge role in improving your core strength and stability, which is essential for pretty much every other movement you do, both in your workouts and in daily life. Think of them as building your body's powerhouse from the ground up. When you're doing your squats, form is absolutely key to get the best results and, more importantly, to prevent injuries. You want to make sure to keep your back straight, no rounding. Imagine you're sitting back into a chair, and try to go as low as you can, aiming for your thighs to be at least parallel to the floor, or even a little lower if you have the flexibility. Engage your core throughout the entire movement, keeping it tight to support your spine. Remember to push through your heels as you come back up to standing. Don't worry if you can't go super low at first. It's all about progress, not perfection on day one. Focus on feeling the muscles in your quads, hamstrings, and glutes really working. We're aiming for controlled movements, not speed. Each rep should be intentional. You'll feel that burn, and that's when you know you're making changes. Let's get those legs and glutes fired up. This is where the transformation begins, so give it your all. Next on our list are push-ups. I know, some of you might be groaning right now, but trust me, push-ups are incredible for building upper body strength and creating that beautifully toned look in your arms, shoulders, and chest. They work your chest, pectorals, your shoulders, deltoids, and your triceps, those muscles at the back of your arms. It's like an all-in-one sculptor for your upper half. Plus, a strong upper body helps with posture and everyday tasks. Now, the amazing thing about push-ups is that they are super versatile. If you're a beginner, please don't be intimidated. You can absolutely start on your knees. This modification allows you to build strength gradually without compromising your form. Focus on keeping a straight line from your head to your knees and lower your chest towards the floor. As you get stronger, you can gradually work your way up to full push-ups on your toes. The journey is just as important as the destination. Whether you're on your knees or toes, remember to keep your core engaged. Don't let your hips sag. Your hands should be about shoulder width apart, and as you lower down, try to get your chest as close to the floor as possible. Exhale as you push back up. Each push-up is a victory, building not just muscle, but also that amazing feeling of accomplishment. Let's work those arms and chest and feel that power growing with every single rep. Chapter 3. Plank, your secret weapon for a super strong core. Let's move on to an exercise that looks simple but is incredibly effective. The plank. The plank is an absolutely excellent exercise for your core. When we talk about core, we're not just talking about visible abs. We're talking about the deep internal muscles that support your spine and improve your posture. A strong core is the foundation of a strong body. This exercise helps strengthen your abs, your back muscles, and even your shoulders all at once. The key to a good plank is maintaining a perfectly straight line from your head to your heels or knees if you're modifying. Imagine your body is a straight, rigid board. Engage your abs by pulling your belly button in towards your spine. Squeeze your glutes and keep your shoulders relaxed away from your ears. Don't let your hips sag down or pike up towards the ceiling. It's all about that isometric hold, where your muscles are working hard even though you're not moving. Your goal here is to hold the position for as long as you can with good form. Don't be discouraged if it's only a few seconds at first. Aim to increase your time each week. Even adding 5 or 10 seconds to your hold is fantastic progress. Challenge yourself, but listen to your body. You'll feel that shake, you'll feel that burn, and that's your core getting stronger and stronger. This is where you build that inner strength that radiates outwards. Chapter 4. Lunges. Lengthen, tone, and improve your balance. Time to give those legs and glutes some more love with lunges. Lunges are just perfect for working your legs, targeting your quads, hamstrings, and especially those glutes. They are fantastic for shaping and toning, but they also do wonders for improving your balance and coordination. Because you're working one leg at a time, you're constantly engaging those smaller, stabilizing muscles, which is so beneficial. When you're performing a lunge, you want to take a good step forward. Make sure to keep your front knee directly over your ankle. Don't let it go past your toes, as this can put unnecessary strain on the knee joint. Your back knee should bend and head towards the floor, aiming for a 90-degree angle in both knees if possible. And, super important, keep your back straight and your chest up. Look straight ahead, not down at the floor, to help maintain your balance. You can do alternating lunges or work one leg for a set number of reps before switching to the other. Focus on controlled movements, really feeling the stretch in your hip flexor on the back leg and the work in your front leg's quad and glute. Push back to the starting position using the strength of your front leg. Lunges can be challenging for balance at first, so take your time, find your rhythm, and soon you'll be lunging like a pro, building lean, strong legs. Chapter 5. Burpees, the ultimate full-body calorie torture. And now, for our final exercise, get ready for the one and only burpee. Yes, burpees are intense, but they are a phenomenal full-body exercise that will get your heart rate soaring and calories melting away. They truly work almost every major muscle group in your body: your arms, chest, quads, glutes, hamstrings, and abs. It's like a strength workout and a cardio session all rolled into one efficient, powerful move. A burpee involves a sequence of movements. From standing, you drop into a squat, place your hands on the floor, kick your feet back into a plank position, and if you want an extra challenge, add a push-up here. Then immediately jump your feet back towards your hands and explode up into a jump, reaching your arms overhead. It sounds like a lot, but once you get the rhythm, it flows. The key is to break it down and focus on each component. If you're new to burpees, please start slow. Focus on getting the form right for each part of the movement. You can even modify by stepping back into the plank instead of jumping, and stepping forward instead of jumping your feet in. As you get more comfortable and your fitness improves, you can start to increase your speed and the intensity. Burpees are tough, there's no doubt, but they deliver incredible results and make you feel so accomplished. Let's finish strong with this amazing calorie blaster. And there you have it. Those are your 5 powerhouse exercises. Incorporate these exercises into your routine consistently, really push yourself, and I promise you, you'll see amazing results in just 4 weeks. Imagine how strong, fit, and confident you're going to feel. This is just the beginning of what you can achieve, and I am so incredibly proud of you for taking the step and committing to yourself and your health. Remember, every single rep, every workout is a step closer to your goals. This journey is all about progress, not perfection. Some days will be easier than others, but the key is to keep showing up, even when it's tough. Celebrate your small victories along the way, because they all add up to big transformations. We're building not just stronger bodies, but stronger minds and a more resilient spirit. You have the power within you to make incredible changes, and these exercises are a fantastic tool to help you unlock that potential. Thank you so much for working out with me today. I hope you're feeling energized and motivated. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Comment below and let me know how you're getting on or what you'd like to see next. And definitely subscribe for more fitness tips and workouts so you don't miss out on our future sessions. Stay strong, keep pushing yourself, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Keep shining.